Hello, advanced math friends. Happy Friday, also known as Friday. As you know, I'm not here today because I am taking Mr. Baum to the doctor, but I have complete confidence that you will manage yourselves appropriately and have an excellent day in Home Suite Classroom Room 208. So the only item that you need for today is your WUMPS packet and also your Chromebook. Homework for tonight, have a great weekend. And don't forget, if you have a team t-shirt order, please make sure that you turn that in. Okay, so bell ringer is going to go on the Sharpen Your Skills page. You might notice it says I will and I will not. So I want you to think about when we have a guest teacher here, you know what the expectation is. And I want you to write two statements for me. One thing that you will do today and one thing that you will not do today. All right, and here is what we've got going on in class for today. You have Scale Ella in PlayPosit. If you did not get yourself logged into PlayPosit, you are going to be responsible for taking care of that. The class join code is on the FYI board near Ben, our mannequin head Ben. So make sure that you get yourself logged in so that you are able to answer the questions. If you're not sure how to do it, pretty much almost everybody in the class did it, so you can ask anybody and they can help you get logged in. Once you are done watching the video, you also have a worksheet in your packet that you're going to be completing. When you're done with that, you're going to be doing some stuff with missing side lengths on similar figures. And then last, you're going to have some time to finish up your Marvelous Me. I know a lot of you guys are already done with it, so you can feel free to go back in and glam it up a little bit. So your focus question for today, how can we use what we know about similar figures to find scale factor and missing side lengths? Your learning intentions, I'm expecting you to be able to find missing side lengths on similar figures. Ooh, nice grammar. Hold on, I gotta fix that. Sorry guys, I can't with that. Okay, there we go. That's better. I can find missing sides on similar figures. And then your second learning intention is I can find the scale factor between an image and an original. So you guys are going to be playing around with that idea today. Next week when we're working together on it, we'll formalize the process. But I think you guys know more than you realize you do. So I bet you could actually do it without me even teaching it to you. Okay, so your standards, solving problems with scale drawings, and using numerical and algebraic expressions and equations. Whenever we're solving for a missing value, that's typically an equation. Okay, activity number 1. You're going to go to PlayPosit. You can actually click on this link and go in there. You're going to watch the Scale Ella video and make sure that you answer the questions to the best of your ability. After you're done with that, you're going to complete the Scale Ella worksheets in your packet. When you are done with that, complete the worksheets in your packet. You may work on this quietly with students in your table group. We are not moving to different locations today unless the guest teacher invites you to do that. But you are welcome to work together a little bit as long as you're on task. If your name is written down for being off task or inappropriate in class, please know that there will be a consequence. At the very least, it will be a lunch detention with me, if not a referral and or a phone call home. Okay, so your next activity, you have some similar figures worksheets in your packet. So what you guys have that you're going to be doing is, first you're going to do just some basic missing side length stuff. So you've got just these triangles and you're going to have to find the missing side length. So I want you to think proportionally. What do I have to do to 3 to make it 12? So what number would have to be here to make it 20 using that same number to scale things up? So once you finish with this one, this easy peasy one, then you are going to move on to this one that's a little bit more challenging because it's not, they're not numbers that go into each other easily, but they are numbers that do have common factors. So you're going to have to think a little bit on this one. So you're going to actually be doing this as a versatile activity. And then when you finish, you will take your tiles to the guest teacher and get it checked in with her. When you finish with your tiles, please make sure that you put them back in order and return them to the bin. All right. So once you're done with similar figures, you may work on your Marvelous Me slides. Those have to be submitted today in order to get on-time credit. If you finish everything, you are welcome to play SumDog. You're welcome to play Ratio Rumble. Both are linked here. If you have stuff to work on for another class, that would be fine, or you're welcome to read a book. What you are not welcome to do is be ridiculous and super social. I really don't want to come back to a negative report from this guest teacher, and I know you guys know what the right decision is to do with your time. All right. At the end of the period, your exit slip is going to be, what was your favorite thing we did in math class this week? You're going to write this on the front of your packet, and then you're going to turn your packet into the block 2 bin before you leave in order to get on-time credit. If you turn it in without a name on it, it is automatically going to be late credit. Don't be that kid. All right? Have a fantastic rest of your day. Have a great weekend, and I look forward to seeing you on Monday.